Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Pretty cool looking 3D design and really pretty easy to draw with just a few easy steps. We're going to take our polygon tool set on 12 sided. I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. I'm going to make it 16 inches. Now I'm going to grab my shape tool, and if you grab this and start moving it in and hold down the control button, in that way they're all equal. We've got to go to object and convert it to a curve. Then we're going to grab it with the shape tool and we're going to select all the nodes. We're going to go to Windows, Dockers, and Corners. And we're going to call that corner I'd already picked pretty good. Now we're going to Control D and duplicate it. It really needs to go 30 degrees, but we only want to go half, so we're going to go 15. Now, if you look at our box, it's changed it up quite a bit. But I've got them both selected, so I'm going to go back to that 16. And what I'm going to draw now is an ellipse. And I'm working in the center of the page, so I'm going to go 16. I'm going to hit P. We want to look to see how far off we are. And we're pretty much dead on. We just don't want to leak. Now, the inner one is a little bit harder. We're going to take the parallel dimension tool and go from that edge. And you see it says perpendicular, so that way we're good. So I'm going to make my next one 13.12. So I'm going to take my ellipse, make it 13.12 and hit P. Now I shouldn't have any leaks. I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool. I'm going to go ahead and use that same blue, and you want to fill in this. See, I do have a little bit of a leak. No problem. Take this and make it like 15.995. That brought it in probably enough. Fill in that, and that. Now I'd go ahead and select these two or three pieces. You can see we got three objects selected. I'm going to go ahead and weld them together. I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool now, set on like a lighter gray, and fill this in. Well, I mixed up. So if I get my Smart Fill tool, set on a gray, I don't know why it's changing that. You know what, I probably had it selected. So let's deselect Smart Fill tool, settle. Why is it changing it gray? And then fill that in with gray. Now at this time, we're going to go ahead and you think you probably need to fill in this little tail, but that little tail is from that side. We're going to go to the interactive fill tool, and I'm just going to swipe and have a little bit of white. Now I'm going to go ahead and group these two together, Control G. This isn't grouped together, but if I hold down the Alt key and swipe through at any part, I get it all logged together. Now this is a group, so I can Control D, and then alternate C to rotate it from the center, and rotate it 30 degrees now, and then Control D, Control D, Control D, all the way around. And you get a perfectly even, no bad spots. I'd go ahead and group this together, Control G. And then as always, it looks a little bit better, or it makes it stand out. You put a black box, go up to Object, Order, back a page. That's pretty simple and pretty cool looking. And you could, I could have cloned it, and then I could change this and look at it in real time. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.